So you're welcome back to this video. In this video now I'm going to show you the Facebook ad interface and how it looks like and how to navigate and also find the best parts to start and how to arrange your Facebook ad interface to actually see the results you are actually looking for. Like I said, this course is actually the full course on Facebook ad systems and how you can use Facebook to actually advertise anything, whether affiliate marketer or e-commerce, any product at all you want to use Facebook for, you can actually follow this guideline. Now, before that, let me show you the first thing you need to do. The first thing here is that you need to log into your business manager or your ad manager. There are different ways to do that. It is either you search for Facebook ad manager or just log into your business manager. Here is where we stop. Then you go to your ad manager here. Like I said, I'm going to be introducing to all these things while the whole stuff is going up. So now, the first thing here is to go to your ad account. All right, go to your ad account, which is this place. Now you see the ad account you have. Now I have only one. I can decide to create another one by clicking on create one. Like now, they said there is only one. That means I need to advertise some certain things. I need to run some campaign. Now, campaign on Facebook is the same thing as running adverts. So here now, this is where we have to start everything possible. So I'll just click on, like I said, I click on ad account. I'm going to click on open in ads manager. Now it's going to take me to from the business manager to the ad manager. Now the business manager is where you set up everything about your ad account and also create one, delete, and do everything possible. Now this is the new interface of the Facebook ad manager. Now here is where you set up your ads for everything you are running. Now for me, they say Facebook is not asking us, does my business focus on politics or advocating for issues of national importance? I don't know anything about politics. I'm not advertising for anything. So I'll just click on no. Right? Now, for example, now, if you have been advertising for a long period of time, let's say 2 years ago or 5 years ago, you see a lot of changes here where, or this result, they say faster reporting is a beneficiary of recent aggregated event measurement improvement for ad campaigns. You may see an increase in reported conversion. You can click here to read more the update here. This is the recent one they updated. So let me show you what you're supposed to do here. Now here right now, let me show you around the Facebook ad stuff. Let me bring it back again so that you see. Now this is the Facebook new interface. Now it updated itself every single day. This is where you set up. You can search for anything at all you want to search for here. Maybe your campaign or delivery or anything at all. You can search for it here to see how it works or see how it works. Then here where you set up, you search for a campaign you run maybe 2 days ago or 1 week or last month or even this year or this week to see what is happening. For now, we don't have any campaign at all. Okay, we don't have any campaign, and that is why it's like this. Now here is where you see some things here. You check some things, select ad campaign. This way you select some metrics and some stuff about accounts and see how it works there. Here, this button now is where you navigate. You can see now I don't have anything at all. I don't have anything at all. So now the first thing here is the campaign. The first thing here is the campaign. This is where you see the list of campaign you have created, the list of adverts you have created before, or you have created recently, or one you have created right now. Now here is another place you see the ad set. Now the ad set is quite different from the campaign. Now the ad set is comprising of the things about your ads, the delivery, the base strategy, the budget, the edit, and so many other things here. Now you can see from here, if I hover around here, you can see this way. This is what the other thing you see, both the cost per result, amount spent, the time you scheduling the ad. Now this one is the main ad. This is where you see the main advertisements you are running currently. The type of ad, either it's on or off, the ad set name, big strategy, budget. So now let's start from the first one, which is the campaign type. Now for me to be able to see everything possible, what I normally do is I'll click on column performance, something like this. I'll just click on, maybe go to report section. So you see this report you are getting, or you select every report here. All right, so we have everything set up. The report you want to see, delivery, the region, the country, the gender, demographics, all levels, campaign types, delivery, placements, placement and devices, platform and devices, time of the day. All these things are important in your campaign, the one you are running. So now what I will do now is I'll click on, let me click on view setup. Right now I think it's okay. My interface is like this, okay. Now what I'm going to do now is I want to probably narrow down to see what I'm actually doing. I'll click on setup. Now I want to just, probably have, get myself up of some things. Set up my column. These are column. Maybe I want to just see, probably set up my own stuff the way I want. So I don't want all these things to be here. So I can just easily click on column here. Then I'll just say performance. Then click on column performance. I'll just select some things here. Okay, I don't need this one now. What I'll do now is click on column here. I'll click on customize. I want to customize my column. Customize column. I want to select what I want to be seeing. That's what I want to do here. I want to select what I will be seeing here. So I don't want to be seeing this one, last edits. I don't want to be seeing this. I don't want to be seeing cost per result. I don't want to see the quality ranking. I don't want to see this. It's not needed for me anyways. If I need it, I can still put it. So what I needed for my ad to be showing for me is I want this delivery, ad set name, big strategy. You can leave your big strategy. So I want the thing to be showing budget, how much I'm spending, the result I'm getting, reaches I'm getting, impressions, cost per result, that's CPR, this amount spent on the ad, the ending day, the scheduling. Then I'll come to clicks. I'll only click on clicks or I'll click on cost per click. All right. Now this one is cost per result. All right. Then I'll just click on clicks or. Then the next thing I'll just do is I'll move this thing for here. Anyway, I want to just move it. I want to customize my own. All right. Then cost by results, everything is okay. Post like, post engagement, post content. Just if you want your own to be like that, customize your own anyway. So you're going to see how my own is going to change. Just find out the one that works for you. Set it up like this. Okay, link clicks. I'll click on link click. Now I will select on unique link clicks. I don't like link clicks anyways. I'll select on unique. I want to see the unique link clicks, the total number of people that click on my link. Because sometimes you're running an ad on Facebook, they'll be showing a lot of metrics. You will be like, oh, so these guys are clicking on my link. Maybe you are getting 1,000 link clicks, but out of that 1,000, you're only seeing 100 persons on your DM. So I always find out, so that Facebook will give me the unique number of people that clicked on my link. All right. So what I'll do now is okay, that's fine. Then cost per link click. I don't need this one. I can even use this one anyway, but for me, I don't want to see how much they're charging me. But if I want to see how much they're charging me per one person that click on my link, I'll click it here. Now this one is for standards, events, anything at all. But I'm going to show you how to use this one. You run an ad for campaign. So we have quite a number of them. So now we come here. That's created can be fine. Okay, that created. So that's created can be here. Sorry, let me put this thing here. Delivery. Okay. Budget remain. I don't want the budget remaining. Objective no. Scheduling no. Location don't need it. Ad type page name no. This one no. This is I don't need this one. I'll click on apply, and my interface is going to change. So it's going to change totally from what I just set up now to what I want it to be. So you can see now this thing have changed from the old one, from the delivery. So your own is just hover around these things to read what they have there for you. So if you want to change, for me this is how I normally do my ad setup. So if you want to add anyone, I click on this plus button to add another suggestion for you. So for me, I always like to get this thing. First thing is whether my campaign is off or on. So one is campaign name, the type of the advert I'm running, then the days I created the campaign, the delivery, the budget I'm spending per day, the clicks I'm getting on all, the result I'm getting, the reach. All right, then the impressions, the cost per click. The impression is something, so number of times that your adverts were on screen for people, the amount spent per day. All right, all the amount spent on my account, then the end date of my campaign, well, the day the thing ended. I can even decide to leave this one. The unique link clicks is here, right? So this is how my own looks like. So if I want to create ad campaign, which is what I'm going to be explaining in the next video, is just click on create. But before we click on create, there's something we need to do, which is I'm going to be introducing you to what we call Facebook conversions, or audience building, or something we called Facebook custom conversions, or lookalike and pixel settings. So I'm going to show you how it works and in this video. So see you in the next video. If you love this video, just give it a thumbs up, like it, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that in case I drop a new videos again, you'll be able to see it. So let's get out, and I'll see you in the next video.